Hello everyone and welcome to another fun kit introduction video. You guys have been loving the kits and it's finally time for a new one for the month of July. So introducing the most darling kit ever, Blush and Bloom. Let's take a quick look at everything included in the kit. And I'll just throw this in really quickly, but if you want the kit, there's two different ways you can get it. You can either become a subscriber on our website at www.pinkmonarchprints.com during this month, or you can just get the kit with no subscription on our Etsy shop, Pink Monarch Prints. Everything will be linked in the description of this video. A few other fun things that in addition to a 50 to 60 page kit every month if you are a subscriber, we have tutorials and inspo on YouTube and our other social medias, a Facebook group where the community can post and answer questions, and loads of entire kit freebies for our subscribers. Just check out the description of this video if you want links to anything mentioned. Alright, let's take a look at this kit. Here is Blush and Bloom. It is 58 pages. I know it says 57, but we made a mistake, and hey, you get an extra page. 58 pages of the most darling, shabby chic, roses and pink and everything just cutesy, if that makes sense. It is such a fun kit, and we have some incredible videos lined up for you guys this month. First and foremost, let's take a look at the papers included in this kit. I'll make sure to point out some of my favorite ones, starting with this gorgeous bird kind of toile pattern, so cute. And then another one of my favorites is this stripe. I love them all, but those two are definitely my favorite. This is going to be such a fun paper kit to work with, and I just love how just dainty and cute all the fun patterns are. And then to make sure that you guys get a lot of use out of these papers, we do include some pretty simple and neutral ones as well. Next, we're going to take a look at one of the things I love having in these kits, and that is some double pages and an optional cover. So first up, here is the cover for this kit, and you can cover it up if you want, use what's already there, and then these are going to be all the double pages. I know some of you guys create your own journals, but these can be used as more than just a journal. Like, I use them all the time in tons of different ways because they're just so cute and it's really fun to work with them. Moving on, we're going to take a look at what I consider to be some of the most fundamental things in any good junk journal kit, and that's going to be your fussy cuts and words and small tidbits and stuff. So here are the words. We have some gorgeous tabs that are going to make such a big difference in details. We have 2 pages of some of the best fussy cuts ever, birds, flowers, garden elements, cute, and then finally some beautiful circles. Going right off of that, we have a bunch more little fussy cuts and tidbits and layering pieces. We got a ton of requests to bring back more of our alphabet letters. You guys love that, so we brought that back again. And some ephemera, some gorgeous layering pieces, and even more layering pieces. We have some fun projects using these. I'm excited to show you guys. Fun project that we have prepared for you guys are these hidden paperclip layering cluster, kind of like a mini project, and we have a tutorial on it, so we'll definitely talk more about that later. You can follow the tutorial to create these gorgeous clusters, or of course you can just use these elements however you want. They're pretty versatile. Moving on to another section, we have a really fun selection of pockets and etc. It's kind of a variety of items, but we have these file folders which can be used as pockets or tags, some of these really gorgeous designed pockets and tall pockets with different shapes and add-ins, and of course some really neutral pockets in case you want to embellish your own. We have lots of them and they're just a wonderful classic shape. Next, we have some really pretty envelopes for you guys, and we have them in a few different shapes and sizes this time. This one is a really big envelope with some cards and embellishments. These ones are a little bit skinnier with some other embellishments, same with these ones. And then this next one are these little cards that are great to add into envelopes or into other places in your journaling. And finally, we are on our last section. These are going to be tags and journal cards and some other items that we somehow missed and didn't get put into photos. First off, some tags. These tags are heavily already embellished, which is so fun. Some journal cards, some more journal cards. These are just little squares and they're beautiful, such fun images. Of course, ephemera, and a lot of these are actually just restored vintage images. And more ephemera, just with little ad cards, some tabs and journal card spaces for writing, some file folders, and some more file folders. That is everything, you guys. Thanks for watching this video and sticking around. This is Blush and Bloom, 58 pages of pure, delicate, beautiful bliss. Shabby chic, goodness, everything wonderful. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And again, if you are interested in getting this kit, I really recommend subscribing. You can unsubscribe anytime, but it is definitely the best bang for your buck here. It's the best price available. But if you don't want to subscribe, we also have it available on Etsy. So make sure to check that out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We will see you in our upcoming videos and tutorials, and hope that you guys enjoy them as much as we do creating them for you. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and we will see you. Goodbye.